a bird dog. Johnny sings a love song, sings the sweetest love song. But when he sings to my girl, to me he's just a wolf dog. Johnny wants to fly away and puppy love my baby. He's a bird dog. Hey, bird dog, get away from my quail. Hey, bird dog, you're on the wrong trail. Bird dog, you better leave my lovely dove alone. Hey, bird dog, get away from my chick. Hey, bird dog, you better get away quick. Bird dog, you better find a chicken little of your own. Johnny kissed the teacher. He tiptoed up to reach her. Well, he's a teacher's pet now. But what he wants is get now. He even made the teacher let him sit next to my baby. He's a bird dog. Hey, bird dog, get away from my quail. Hey, bird dog, you're on the wrong trail. Bird dog, you better leave my lovely dove alone. Hey, bird dog, get away from my chick. Hey, bird dog, you better get away quick. Bird dog, you better find a chicken little of your own. Yeah, he's a bird dog.